I had never seen in person or shot what you often hear referred to as an assault rifle before I went to the Kent County Conservation League. Here's a look at the difference between an AR-15 and a handgun. How are these similar?
They put a bullet out the front end. That's how similar they are.
Mark Jacobson is a certified firearms instructor, a former law enforcement officer, and military man.
This is the Glock 19 Generation 4 model.
As he explains, the fact that a pistol like this Glock and an Armalite rifle, the AR-15, are both semi-automatic is about the only thing the two firearms have in common.
So nothing in a pistol is ever going to perform like a rifle as far as stopping the threat. And they come in many variations. The most common one would be the Eugene Stoner design, which we would know as the Armalite rifle.
Only in rare cases can you legally own a fully automatic weapon.
These are capable of semi-automatic fire only. Right?
Which means?
Each time you pull the trigger, you will get one shot. And if you hear me release the trigger, hear that audible reset, that's resetting the hammer internally, so now I can fire another shot.
Okay.
And it will do that as fast as I can pull the trigger. But the key, again, is velocity.
Jacobson says velocity is the factor that makes the biggest difference.
The current 855, M855 round the military issues is a 62 grain bullet. Out of a 16-inch barrel, you're going to get just a little over 3,000 feet per second.
Compared to?
A 9mm, 124 grain bullet, 1150. You can load them up a little hotter. You might get 1,200.
So those are 3 times as fast.
Correct. You're starting to see the thing here.
That difference in velocity changes what the bullet does once it enters its target.
The tactical personal defense ammunition's coming in. It will defeat that windshield. It will defeat the light body armor, and the bullet still maintains well over 50% of its weight, and it controllably expands to about 1.5 times its normal diameter, and it will penetrate the adequate amount, and once it dumps out of what is considered a normal width of the human anatomy, it will come to rest with very little threat to anything else out there. So there's a big...
So if someone was using this for the wrong reasons?
It can be very effective, yes. And that's why you're seeing the devastating body count, if you would, with what's happening. Safe gun handling and training is paramount.
Jacobson helped me understand the difference between these guns by showing me how to shoot them. First, the high-velocity rifle.
Yeah, there you go.
Okay.
That was 25 rounds, that fast.
So, can I shoot this one that fast?
Absolutely you can. You want to try it?
So that was harder to keep it steady and fire as fast.
Because it's a handgun.
If you're looking at an AR-15 as good for personal protection, Mark Jacobson pointed out that is true, but that more damage can be done, or at least it can be devastating in the wrong hands.